I'm going to use a pull jack and just support the rear suspension. It's not going to move very far, but you may be able to move it up or down depending on what you need. Now take a 21 millimeter wrench and put it on the nut right there. Use a 21 millimeter socket. We'll loosen this up. Take off the nut. Before I take that bolt out, I'm going to take the bolt out up top. Do the same, use a 21 millimeter wrench on the nut and a 21 millimeter socket. Take that bolt out. Now I can just lower the pull jack down a little bit and you can slide this bolt out. You can take a hammer, give it a couple taps. And you can use a pry bar or a screwdriver and slide that down and pull it out. Now we're going to exercise the new shock. Just compress it all the way and then let it release. And we're going to do this 3 times. Now line the top part of the shock up and get the bolt started. We can line the bottom up. You can raise this up a little bit so that it lines up. And put the bolt through. And we can get both nuts started. Snug those down. And then you can torque this bolt with the wrench on the nut. Torque it to 80 foot-pounds. And you can do the same with the upper one. Lower the pull jack, and then you can do the same procedure for the other side.